Hey there, I'm Chef Ani, and today we are going to be making enchiladas. One of my favorite things about this dish is that you can pack so much flavor into the sauce. Plus, it is easy and simple to make. You can even make it ahead of time, store it in your fridge, and then just bake it when you're ready to eat it. Talk about a simple meal. Who remembers this from quite a few videos ago? So enough talking, let's get cooking. Okay, so we are going to get started by chopping an onion, and we're going to saute our onion in a little bit of oil. But if you don't want to use oil, you can use water. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up some poblano pepper. We're going to add that in too. Next, I'm going to mince a little garlic. I'm going to add some seasoning. I have some cayenne, chili powder, and paprika, and a little salt. Next, I'm going to add black beans, which I've drained and rinsed. And the last thing we're going to add to our beans is some lime juice. Now we're going to set this aside and work on our sauce. So in a pot, we're going to add a little oil. Then we're going to add in our flour. And if you want this dish to be gluten-free, all you have to do is use gluten-free flour instead of this regular flour, and use gluten-free tortillas. I have some chili powder and cumin. You know what? It's really good if you set out all your ingredients so that you're ready to go when this is happening. You don't have a ton of time to just walk around and figure things out. You gotta be ready to go. I'm going to add some onion and garlic powder, some oregano, and some salt. And what we're doing here is we're developing the flavor in our sauce. This is gonna make those flavors just pop. Next, I'm going to add in some tomato paste, and then we're going to add some water. And I like to add a little Better-Than-Bouillon at this point. It just really adds to the flavor. Let our sauce simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. So as you can see, our sauce has thickened into this beautiful consistency. Looks so good. Now all we have left to add is some lime juice, and I like to add in a little bit of vegan margarine. It just rounds out the flavor at the end here, but this is definitely not something you have to do unless you want to. All we have left to do is to assemble the dish. Take some of our beautiful sauce and just put it in the bottom. Now you can do a couple of things here. You can either make your tortillas from scratch. I have a video and a recipe on how to do that. I will put a link in the description box below if you're interested in that, or you can buy your tortillas. If you're short on time, this is a quick way to get a meal on the table. Add our beans, and we're just gonna roll it up like that, and that's gonna go in our sauce. Now all we have left to do is to just take our beautiful sauce and pour it over the top. Woo! I'm so excited. This looks amazing. All we have left to do is cover it with some foil and stick it in the oven to bake. So while we wait for our enchiladas to bake, I just wanted to look at a picture that one of you sent me. Look at this. Isn't that so neat? That is such a cute photo, and those cupcakes look so good. I especially like the pink and purple sprinkles on top. That is just fantastic. Okay, so our enchiladas have just come out of the oven. I am so excited to eat them. I normally serve them with a variety of things, and you can do whatever you like best. One of my favorite things to serve with these enchiladas is corn. I season the corn with garlic and some dill and a little salt, and it is really good with this. I love it. I will put the recipe on my website, link in the description box below. Anyway, I think we should eat this. What do you think? Okay, so Kaya has joined us. Look at what we made today. Kaya, we made enchiladas. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Kaya loves enchiladas, don't you?
I really do.
Wasn't that good, Kaya?
Oh, that was so good.
Did you like it?
I loved it.
Yay!
You have no idea how good it is. It was so good.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Get those thumbs up to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video. It was Kaya's suggestion. She loves dill in the corn, don't you? Dill with
Dill in the corn.
Dill in
dill
anything.
In the beans.
Anything Kaya puts dill on.
Dill in the fruit sauce.
Dill in fruit sauce?
I was trying to make a point.